रेसिंग की दुनिया के मेरे दोस्तों को टफ ट्रैकर का बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. Good evening my dear friends, hoping that you are all doing well from the comforts of your homes, residences or workplaces. The best ever guidance for horse racing enthusiasts in India is the only destination www.inhorseracing.com. जी हाँ दोस्तों, इस वेबसाइट inhorseracing.com पे आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है. 600 रुपया प्रति माह और यहां से आपको हॉर्स रेसिंग का बेस्ट गाइडेंस प्राप्त होगा. Tough Tracker gives you in-depth analysis, exclusive selections, track blazers, wagering suggestions, best one for the day. So always be a winner with India's horse racing's best paddock pick analyst. Register yourself and subscribe now. www.inhorseracing.com. Mahinder Singh Rathore at your service, known as Tough Tracker in Indian horse racing circles, will be always at your service. By the grace of God, by the grace of the Almighty, 60% has been my strike rate since I have launched this website. The Bangalore Summer Racing Season action begins from 17th of May, Saturday 2025. 2025 शनिवार 17 मई से बैंगलोर समर हॉर्स रेसिंग एक्शन शुरू होने जा रहा है मेरे दोस्तों. Preparations are underway as you can see on your screen in full throttle. घोड़े एक्सरसाइज करते हुए आपकी स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहे हैं आपको और तैयारियां पूरी जोर शोर से चलती हुई बैंगलोर समर रेसिंग सीजन 2025 को सफल बनाने की ओर हर जॉकी, हर ट्रेनर, हर रेस हॉर्स ओनर अपनी तरफ से पूरी मेहनत करता हुआ 800 घोड़े, 50 ट्रेनर इस सीजन में हिस्सा लेंगे. 800 horses under the care of over 50 trainers to take part during the course of the season. All the leading lights among the jockeys fraternity will be seen in action. Coming up on your screen is the trainers list with the number of horses against their names. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये बेंगलोर के लोकल ट्रेनर्स हैं और इनके नाम के सामने इनके पास कितने घोड़े हैं वो पूरे डिटेल्स आपको दिए गए हैं. तो आप इसका भी आनंद उठाए, इससे भी आप जरूर फायदा उठाए. वेरी वेरी वेल planned list and top rated 3-year-old for Bangalore summer in front of you. My dear friends, a cream of 3-year-olds from across the country will be seen in action. So be prepared for an exciting Bangalore summer racing season coming up from 17th May 2025. दोस्तों, आपके सामने अभी 17 मई 2025 को ये सीजन चल के 24 रेस मीटिंग्स तक चलेगी. 1 अगस्त तक. आफ्टर अ while the season is expected to have all the thrills and excitement of the sport of kings. The dynamism of Suraj Naraidu will be seen in action, who's just back after a refreshing vacation in the European countries. Joined alongside will be the hitman of Indian racing, the rising star Akshay Kumar, the local Hyderabad champion rider and making waves across the country. The powerhouse rider from Western India, Mumbai 2024-25 champion jockey A. Sandesh, and alongside these three, adding further attraction to the jockeys brigade will be the determination of jockey Trevor Patel, who has just won a few races abroad and will be raring to go here. Shrewd experience matters a lot in horse racing. The trainers, the professionals who carve out the fitness of race horses use this experience, use the strategies a lot to gain success in the day. As you can see, the leading lights on your screen. Preparations underway in Mysore for the Summer Racing 2025 beneath the spectacular Chamundi Hills. The season is expected to start from 21st of May 2025. So my dear friends, Turf Tracker at your service. InHorseRacing.com is your destination. 600 per month. Register and subscribe. Thank you. Dhanyavad.